devil is an open enemy to human beings. So when we look at this, the father is trying to tell him that be very careful who you relate your dreams to. Be very careful who you tell expectation to. Be very careful who you tell your successes or progress to. Be very careful who you tell your job promotions to. Be very careful or be extra careful who you tell your plans to. Because some people are enemies of progress. Some people do not want to see any progress in you. Some people are very dangerous. Some people do not want to see you succeed in life, but they want to see failure in you. The moment you open up to them, they will smile at you. They will be happy with you, but inside their heart it is eating them up. It is eating them up to the extent that they will be thinking, they will have sleepless nights thinking what to do next, that they cannot let that happen. So let us be very careful as we open up to people. Let us not broadcast everything, whatever happens in our lives, to everyone. Be it your close friend or a close relative. You don't know who hates you. You don't know how envied people are. Every blessing that you should know is envied. I repeat, every blessing is envied. Let us be very careful with the blessing that we receive from Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala, that let us not broadcast them. Let us not open them anyhow to everyone that we think that they will be closer to us. It's because enviness was the first sin. Jealous and hatred was the first sin that took part or that happened in heaven. We all know what happened to our father Adam alayhi salatu wasalam when the devil was commanded by God to prostrate before him. He said, I cannot prostrate before somebody that you are created with clay, and I'm better than him. That's where everything started. This is the more reason why when you harbor hatred, when you have jealousy and the enviness in your heart, the devil capitalizes. He would want you to take an action towards whatever you have been taught. That's why it is very important that let us not tell everyone what we expect to do. Let us not tell everyone whatever plans we have. Let us wait until it manifests on its own, because the devil is an open enemy. The devil will disguise himself into a very good friend that will come to you so that you take an action. You take the next step. As you harbor that hatred in your heart, he will push you towards going somewhere that will try and close up everything for your friend. When we buy a new car, let us not be taken by happiness and post it on social media that I have this car. Otherwise, the evil eye is real. It will cut short your life. The Prophet Muhammad sallallahu alaihi wasallam is telling us, لَوْ كَانَ فِي شَيْءٌ يُسْبِقُ الْقَدْرِ الْعَيْنِ. If there was anything that will take over your destiny, will take over whatever has been written to you by Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala, it is the evil eye. My dear respected brothers and sisters, the evil eye is real.